In-house production of powdered metal components presents several significant advantages for manufacturers. By maintaining control over the entire process, Bunting Bearings ensures enhanced quality and traceability of each part produced. Eliminating outsourcing reduces the risk of delays and hidden costs, leading to more efficient operations. The use of proprietary powder blends and advanced sintering techniques allows for the creation of components that meet precise specifications, minimizing waste and optimizing performance. Rapid prototyping is a key benefit of in-house production. Custom parts can be developed swiftly, facilitating faster iterations and shorter lead times, which helps keep projects on schedule and within budget. Quality assurance is critical in manufacturing, and in-house production enables rigorous testing at every stage. Automated inspections and adherence to industry certifications ensure that all components meet the highest standards of quality. Understanding these benefits highlights the importance of in-house powdered metal production in driving innovation and efficiency in manufacturing processes.